Morning to everyone. Today we'll learn about this 12th standard chemistry. Already we have learned one compound, that is borax. Now we'll learn about this boric acid, H3BO3 or BOH thrice. First of all, you have to learn the compound name, that is H3BO3 into BOH or BOH thrice you can write. Okay. So this boric acid, already we have learned, it was prepared from borax, that is Na2B4O7. Na2B4O7, when it is treated with sulfuric acid, okay, and water, it forms this boric acid plus sodium sulfate is formed. If it is not balanced, you balance. Okay. So this borax, when it is treated with sulfuric acid, it forms boric acid and sodium sulfate. Then when it is treated with silimonite, okay, Ca2B6O11, silimonite plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfuric acid, it forms what? It forms boric acid, H3BO3. Okay. Boric acid plus this Na2SO4 or this calcium bihydrogen sulfate, that is CaHSO3 thrice is formed. Okay. So this silimonite ore, when it is treated with sulfur dioxide and sulfuric acid, it forms boric acid and calcium hydrogen sulfite is formed. Okay, that is the preparation of borax. Then this boric acid is a colorless transparent crystal. Borax is a colorless transparent crystal. Colorless transparent crystal. Colorless transparent crystal. And when it is a very weak monobasic acid. Weak monobasic acid. Monobasic acid. So instead of donating a proton, it accepts a hydroxyl ion. So instead of donating a proton, what happens? It accepts a hydroxyl ion. So BOH thrice. Okay, instead of donating a proton, it accepts a hydroxyl ion, that is BOH 4 times minus. Okay. So instead of donating a proton, it accepts a hydroxyl ion. Okay. So property abde marudhu. It is a very weak monobasic acid. It is a colorless transparent crystal. Instead of donating a proton, it accepts a hydroxyl ion. So sodium hydroxide, when it is treated with boric acid, H3BO3, it gives sodium metaborate. Sodium metaborate plus water, and then this boric acid, the sodium hydroxide, when it is treated with boric acid, excess, okay, it forms this boric acid, that is this H3BO3, when it reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms boron trihydride, and then it forms the different products like borax and water, Na2B4O7. Na2B4O7, borax plus 7 moles of water is formed. Okay, Na2B4O7 plus 7 moles of water is formed. This is another important property. When sodium hydroxide is treated with boric acid, it forms sodium metaborate and then water, and when sodium hydroxide is treated with boric acid, it forms what? Borax. This is a formula for what? Borax, Na2B4O7 plus 7 H2O. Then action of heat. When boric acid is heated at 373 Kelvin, H3BO3, when it is heated at what? 373 Kelvin, it forms metaborate, and then this metaborate, when it is treated with what? Metaborate, when it is heated at 413 Kelvin, it gives H2B4O7 is formed. Okay, H2B4O7 plus water is formed. Okay, then this H2B4O7, okay, at red hot condition, okay, extreme heat condition, red hot condition, it will give rise to boric anhydride plus water, B2O3 plus water. Okay. So when this boric acid is converted heated at 373 Kelvin, it forms metaborate. This metaborate at 413 Kelvin, it forms H2B4O7. Then H2B4O7, when it is heated at red hot condition, it will form boric anhydride plus water. Then this boric acid, that is BOH thrice. Okay, it can also be written like this: boric acid, when it is treated with ethanol, Ethanol formula, what is the formula for ethanol? C2H5. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms trialkyl borate. Trialkyl borate. This is trialkyl borate. Okay, an ester. An ester is formed. Okay, trialkyl borate plus ester is formed. This trialkyl borate, when it reacts with sodium hydride, in the presence of book la illa equation illa ana miss equation mari eludren sodium hydride plus in the presence of tetrahydrofuran adu THF nu eludikrom tetrahydrofuran eppadi eludikrom THF eludana it will form a product like NaBHOR thrice. Okay, NaBHOR thrice. This is used as a powerful reducing agent. This is used as a powerful reducing agent. So this is used as a powerful reducing agent. This reaction is esterification reaction, and this reaction produces a green vapors. When it is burnt, it produces green vapors, and this is a test for what? Boric acid or borax, or this is a test for boric acid. So this is a test used in qualitative analysis. When it is heated, it produces green edged flame. ஸோ இதை ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது க்ரீன் எட்ஜ் ஃப்ளேம் வரும், அதை வச்சு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாம் இதில் போரான் குரூப் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் டெஸ்ட் ஃபார் போரான். ஓகே, ஸோ வென் இட் இஸ் ஹீட்டட் இட் ப்ரொடியூசஸ் க்ரீன் எட்ஜ் ஃப்ளேம். ஒரு எஸ்டர் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், அந்த எஸ்டரை ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது இட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் க்ரீன் எட்ஜ் ஃப்ளேம். அதே நேரத்தில் திஸ் ட்ரைஅல்கைல் போரேட்டோட sodium hydride is added. In the presence of tetrahydrofuran, it forms this compound. This is a coordination compound, and this is a powerful reducing agent. This can be used as a reducing agent. Then formation of boron trifluoride. Formation of boron trifluoride. Here you can see calcium fluoride, when it reacts with sulfuric acid and boric acid, will get calcium sulfate plus boron trifluoride plus water. So this is what? This is our reaction to form boron trifluoride. Then when it reacts with soda ash, this is nothing but soda ash. Na2CO3 is nothing but sodium carbonate or soda ash. When it reacts with boric acid, it forms this borax. Na2B4O7 is nothing but what? Borax plus CO2 plus 6H2O. Borax plus 6CO2 plus what? 6H2O is formed. This is the chemical property of borax. So first we saw about this preparation, then we saw this water reaction with water, then with with sodium hydroxide, it forms two different products, metaborate and borax. Then with then at heat, action of heat, 373 Kelvin it gives metaborate, 413 Kelvin it gives H2B4O7, and red hot it gives B2O3, that is boric anhydride, and with ethanol it produces trialkyl borate, which is an ester, and that when heated produces green edged flame. Green edged flame கிடைக்கும், அதை வந்து ஒரு டெஸ்ட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். டெஸ்ட் ஃபார் வாட்? குவாலிட்டேட்டிவ் அனாலிசிஸ், டெஸ்ட் ஃபார் போரான். தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் திஸ் டெட்ராஅல்கைல் போரேட், when it reacts with sodium hydride. புக்கில் ஈக்குவேஷன் இல்லை, ஆனால் மிஸ் எழுதியிருக்கேன் NaH, THFனா tetrahydrofuran, அதோட சேரும்போது it gives one compound. That compound is used as a what? Powerful reducing agent. So this is our chemical properties of boric acid. Then uses, then this calcium fluoride, when it is treated with sulfuric acid and boric acid, it gives boron trifluoride. BF3 is nothing but boron trifluoride. Okay, then sodium carbonate or soda ash, boric acid gives what? Borax. Borax already we saw the preparation, properties and uses. Okay, plus CO2 plus 6H2O. Okay, then next one, the structure of boric acid. இங்கே பாருங்க, this has two-dimensional layered structure. This boric acid has two-dimensional layered structure. Okay, 2D, two-dimensional layered structure in which the BO3 minus ion, BO3 minus ion will be in bonded with hydrogen bond, or they are linked with hydrogen through this hydrogen bonding. Okay, இதில் என்னெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும்? Two-dimensional layered structure, and the BO3 units are linked to hydrogen through hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond? A bond between hydrogen and oxygen is hydrogen bond. So what is the structure of boric acid? It has two-dimensional layered structure. Two-dimensional layered structure. What are the uses of boric acid? Now we will see the uses of boric acid. What is the formula for boric acid? H3BO3 or BOH thrice. Okay, Now we'll see the uses of boric acid. It is used in the manufacture of colored glass. Okay, colored glass, pottery, okay, enamels, paints, pigments, okay, colored glass, pottery, enamels, paints, pigments. Then it is used as an antiseptic. Okay, what is antiseptic? To prevent the growth of microorganism, we will apply this antiseptic. So this boric acid can be used in antiseptic. In schools and all, they will have this boric acid powder. So when you come across a wound or when you fell down, they will pour this boric acid in the surface of the wound, okay, to prevent the growth of microorganism. So this boric acid is used as an antiseptic, as an eye lotion also. This is used in eye lotion also. Okay, for eye problems this is used. This boric acid is used in eye lotion, and this is also used as a food preservative. To preserve food items, we will use this boric acid. So this boric acid is also used as a food preservative. So what are the uses of boric acid? It is used in colored glass, pottery, enamels, paints, pigments. Then it is used in antiseptic, to prepare antiseptic, eye lotion. Then it is used as a food preservative also. Okay, so in this uses you can expect lot of one word. So every use of compounds is very important. So in this lesson we will learn all the compounds of boron, their preparation, properties and uses. You must not fed up, because you have to come across these topics only in this lesson. All the compounds you will study, the preparation, properties and uses. So you must be ready to write any compound, their property, preparation and uses. In this uses, lot of one word can be asked. Okay, so for your homework, you learn and write the preparation and properties alone, not uses, not structure also, only preparation and properties of boric acid. Okay, your assignment is learn and write preparation and properties of boric acid. Okay, learn and write preparation and properties of boric acid. Learn and write preparation and properties of boric acid. Learn and write preparation and properties of boric acid. Okay, that is H3BO3. Properties of H3BO3. Okay, don't write the uses and structure. Okay, no need to write uses and structure, only write the preparation. 2 equation is there, and in chemical property 10 equation is there. So equation very important. Although you give explanation, writing equation is very important. Write and learn. Okay, when you memorize, you can't remember, you have to write 2 or 3 times. Keep a note aside, write and learn, then only you can able to study chemistry easily. Okay, so don't postpone your assignment. I am always there to check your assignment. Okay, if you postpone, it is very hard for you to study before the exam. Okay, so your assignment is learn and write the preparation and properties of boric acid. Okay, thank you for listening to me. Thank you.